Are you looking for budget-friendly home and kitchen essentials? Here are the top 10 products under 499 rupees that are useful, high-rated, and super affordable. Whether it's for cleaning, convenience, or safety, find what fits your needs without breaking the bank. Links to buy each product below. Here are 10 awesome finds under 499 rupees that'll make life a bit easier. Let's jump right in. Portronics Power Plate 10 Extension Board. First up, the Portronics Power Plate. A power-packed extension board with 4 sockets and a 3-meter cord, perfect for home or office. Price: just 379 rupees with a 4.3-star rating from over 24,000 users. Scotchbrite No Dust Broom. For all your cleaning needs, check out the Scotchbrite No Dust Broom. It's lightweight and makes floor cleaning a breeze for only 285 rupees. It's rated 4 stars by over 37,000 people. Heavy-duty rechargeable flashlight. Perfect for emergencies, this flashlight is just 199 rupees and rated 4.1 stars. Ideal for power cuts or any time you need reliable light. Pepper spray for self-defense. Stay safe with pepper spray. Great for both men and women, especially for those who travel. Priced at 189 rupees with a solid 4.3-star rating from 4,448 users. Soft Spun Microfiber Cleaning Cloths. Highly absorbent and versatile, these microfiber cloths come in a 4-pack for 275 rupees. They're rated 4.4 stars and work great on surfaces from kitchens to vehicles. Scotchbrite Plastic Kitchen Wiper. Need to wipe down your counters or tiles? The Scotchbrite Kitchen Wiper is handy and affordable at 150 rupees, with a strong 4.4-star rating from over 30,000 users. TDS Meter for water quality. Get the best drinking water with a TDS meter, just 169 rupees. It has a 4.1-star rating and helps measure water quality easily. Automatic Electric Water Dispenser Pump. An electric water pump for your 20-liter cans. It's easy to use, rechargeable, and priced at 368 rupees with a high 4.9-star rating. Sto Dingdong Bell. Looking for a classic doorbell? The GM 4008 Sto Dingdong Bell is just 219 rupees with a 4.1-star rating from over 14,000 users. SelfAdesive Multifunctional Kitchen Rack. Save space with this SelfAdesive kitchen rack. No drilling needed. Perfect for towels, tissue rolls, and even wine glasses. 299 rupees with a 4.3-star rating. There you have it, 10 useful products under 499 rupees. From cleaning tools to safety essentials, you are sure to find something you need. Check out the links in the description to grab yours, and don't forget to like and follow for more budget-friendly finds.